The experience has to come fast now. So when I write stuff down in the past and say, like, it felt good when I did this. I remembered when this happened. Da-da-da-da. Just like that. I felt good when I did this. I remember when this happened. What happens on my subconscious mind, it's like, wait a minute. This happened? Where is it? Where's the vibration? So now it scrambles very quickly to make sure the memory matches my experience. That's why it's so powerful. That's why it could be a little more powerful than visualization. When you visualize, your ego can get in the way. Now, visualizing is very powerful when you have your ego in check, all right? But this is just for strictly individuals who may struggle with meditation or visualization. Scripting is very powerful.